Randy arrived at Austin Station. Zach and Joe were waiting there, collecting their passengers. He came to a complete stop. The Kansas City Chiefs were waiting, and Mr. Hamilton was very cross. Randy, where are the team's clean football jersey outfits and footballs? Randy felt puzzled. Then he gasped. Cinders and ashes. The dirty washing was the team's clean football outfits and footballs. Randy felt terrible. I didn't take the washing to the laundry man. Now the team have nothing to wear for the Super Bowl. The Super Bowl can't take place, and it's all my fault. Randy felt very silly. I thought all of the other jobs were more important than mine. Now I see that all jobs are important. I'm very sorry, sir. And I'm very sorry, Joe and your team. Randy wished weakly. Please, sir, and you guys, I'll huff my hardest and make sure the team had clean football outfits and footballs in time for the opening game. And with that, Randy popped away to find the clean football jersey outfits and footballs. I hope the Kansas City Chiefs win the Super Bowl tonight, said Joe. Don't worry, Joe, said Zach. I'm sure they will.